Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the app icon color. So here you can see I already changed the app icon color. So let me show you how to change this one. Just press and hold the blank area of the home screen. Tap on the edit button on the top left side. Now tap on the option customize. So here you can see some options: default, dark, clear, tinted. Select the option tinted and according to your wallpaper it will show a color. And if you want to change the color, now you can select the color from the this one. Okay, that's it. Like this one. Yeah, now you can see the app icon color is changed. So simply in this way we can change the app icon color on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.